Okay, I just wanted to make a short video on variables and kind of explain how variables work. So here we have a whiteboard and we just write some here. Let's see, num, that's N-U-M, A-G-E. So I just declared age, which is a variable name, as a number. So what this did is it tells the computer when it compiles the whole thing to make it into understandable language for it, that I've got to save some memory space somewhere in memory on my computer in RAM. I'm going to store this number age. And since it's a number, right now we're looking at, say, maybe 8 bits for it. So that's what a declaration does. It says, okay, this is going to be a number. The variable name is age. Store it somewhere. So somewhere in memory, automatically, the computer, whoops, let me erase this because I just screwed that up. So let's just clear the whole thing first. So we have number, age, and somewhere in memory, some location in memory, some address in memory, the computer is going to identify it as age. It says, okay, this is where I'm going to store the number. We don't know where that's at. Only the computer knows because it automatically did it. So now somewhere in the program, I could say age is equal to 19. Now right here, one of the things I want you to look at is this is the proper way of setting up a memory location. The memory address goes on the left side and whatever's stored in it goes on the right side. So remember this. It goes this way from here to store in here. So this, whatever on this side, gets stored into the memory address age. So now over here, we said, okay, here's our age somewhere in memory. And now we want to store. And I'll just make it, and I said kind of think of it as a box that can hold one thing. So here's our box, and now it's equal to 19. So no matter when I do something, if I set it in the next line, let's put another num up here. Total age. And I say, and let's have another one. Num age 2. Somewhere in memory there's age 2 in my box. And somewhere in memory there's total age in my box. So here age equals 19, then I'm going to say age 2 equals 21. So this becomes 21. Somewhere in memory, it stores in this box 21. And then I'm going to say, okay. And again, notice that I went from the right to the left. It goes this way. Like that. Right to left. Never left to right. The left side's always the address I'm going to store it in. And then I have total age. And that's going to equal age plus age 2. And I forgot to put the 2 here. Well, I know, okay, let's look at what's age 1, or age, it's 19. So the computer's going to say, oh, okay, let me get whatever's in age 1. It's going to go to the box and say, oh, age 1, 19. So it's going to put 19 here. Age 2, oh, that equals 21. 21. 19 plus 21 is 40. So what's going to store in total age is 40. That should be black, but total age is 40. So that's how variables work. They store one and only one thing at a time. So let's clear this out. Just one more thing I want to show. Again, num age. And I could set it here to 19 when I declare it. So I initialized age. I said it's a number, and I set it to 19. So now I can say, okay, input. Let's not do. Yeah, okay, input age. No, let's start over again. Num age equals 19. Okay, and then later on I'm going to say age equals 21. So when this line executes, age is going to be 19. When this line executes, age becomes 21. 19 is gone. It's no longer there. I lost 19. I can only have one and only one thing at a time. And then just the final thing I want to kind of go over. Let's have a num called total. And we'll set that equal to 10 to begin with. And I'll say total equals total plus 10. So somewhere in memory, I have an address total. There's a little box which contains. So when this line executes, total is 10. So now I come over here and I always evaluate the left side first. I'm sorry, the right side first. So if I look here, it says, okay, what's total equal to? Oh, total is equal to 10. So that's 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 is 20. Oh, I got to store that in total. So what happens is the computer says, okay, this was 10. It is no longer 10. Now, whoops, let me get over there. There we go. This becomes 20. No longer 10. Let's get rid of that. It becomes 20. So what I did here is I took what it was first, 10, added 10, and then I stored it over here in 20. If I did it again, this time I'd say, oh, what's total? Total is 20. 20 plus 10 is 30, and I'm going to store it over here in total. So now it becomes 30. So that's just wanted to show you how I can take something on the, and this is equal, not plus. Let's take something on the right-hand side, do the manipulation, and then store it into the left-hand side. Any questions, just post them to me or put them on the discussion board. Thanks for watching.